Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2022 North Trail 25 RBP travel trailer. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you through the inside and outside of the RV, then we'll close it all up and show you what it looks like closed. We'll be right back on the inside. Alright guys, we're now up inside the new 2022 Heartland North Trail 25 RBP here. We're going to start spinning through the kitchen living room area and then we'll check out the rest. So first things up, we are looking at the slide out system here. And basically it's an electric slide. We'll show you what that looks like when it comes in and out toward the end of the video. But you have an L-shaped sofa here. And that sofa will flip out and make into a bed, and there's a little bit of storage under the L part of it. Directly across from that area, you have a small dinette. So you have a booth on one side and freestanding chairs on the other. The chairs do have a little bit of storage in them as well, and then you have some storage under that booth also. There's TV hookups here if you wanted to put a TV in the unit, and basically you would mount it to the wall above the window here, but the hookups are on the side of the kitchen cabinet there. So you have an electric outlet there, radio there, TV antenna hookup, and your slide out button and stuff all located right there. You have ducted air conditioning running down the length of the coach. For your refrigerator system, you do have the Everchill 10.7 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator. You have a little pantry and a couple drawers next to that. All new floor. You have new wood color and also new counter colors as well. So they changed the overall look of the interior of the RV completely. Electric box with your breakers and fuses down there. Gray stone oven, 3-burner stovetop, flip down glass lid. The hood range and gray stone microwave as well. So you got kind of a matching appliance section there. Undermount stainless sink. Over on the wall here is your thermostat for your furnace and air conditioner. Up into the bedroom area here, you have a window on each side of the bed, and both of those windows open. You have some overhead cabinet space and shelf space, along with a hanging closet on each side as well. Now, the bed does raise up. There's storage underneath, but then there's also a second level that you would use when you raise up the bed. Outlet over here. Camper king bed. I'll squeeze over this way just to kind of get you an idea here. There is a little closet area at the foot of the bed also. And this kind of opens up. So you've got shelf and hanging closet both. And there are TV hookups if you wanted to put a small TV here. Sliding door for bedroom privacy here. There is also a roof vent up top. Quite a bit of room in that kitchen area. A lot of counter space and cabinet space. They use that new woven material on their slide out floor instead of having carpet there, so that's a little bit nicer as well. Sliding door to block off your bathroom for privacy. Has a pretty large bathroom. Dual medicine cabinet, some storage up above. Foot flush toilet, step-in shower, plenty of room back there for your towels and linens, window in the bathroom, roof vent, skylight. But definitely plenty of room to actually walk into the bathroom, get undressed, get in and out of the shower pretty easily. All right, we're gonna run outside. I want to show you around the outside, and then we'll come back in and close her up. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, guys, we're now back on the outside of the new 2022 Heartland North Trail 25 RBP here. We're gonna start here on the door side, kind of spin our way back around here. So first things up, you have a white fiberglass exterior. It is a 2-inch thick sidewall, where some ultralight styles are only inch or inch and a half sidewalls. So you do have a traditional thicker sidewall, foam block insulated, aluminum stud construction. You have a huge pass-through storage compartment on the front of this thing up here. Nicely finished off. You can also see the optional Blue Ox Sway Pro weight distribution hitching system there. Large entry baggage door there to get you in and out on this side, and it has the upgraded slam lock baggage door latch on it as well. You have power stabilizer jacks on the unit and enclosed underbelly as well. Power awning with the LED light strip built in against the coach up there, and you have adjustable arms on the awning for tilting to help you with water runoff. Also, you do have the manual override in the headpiece of this front arm. In case of an electronic failure, you can manually crank it in. You have deep tint safety glass windows, 6-gallon gas electric water heater. You have 2 speakers up there, along with the stove exhaust vent as well. Freshwater tank fills up right here. It's a gravity fill, and then down below the water heater over there is where you would actually drain that freshwater tank. You have 4-wheel drum brakes, aluminum wheels, wide stance axle system, just making it a little more secure going down the road. It's not quite as squirrely. Furnace exhaust out here, electric outlet for outside area here. You have the heavier duty More Ride step above step, which will flip up inside the doorway there when you're ready to travel. It's rated for 500 pounds, where a traditional hover step's only rated for 300 pounds. Traditional RV entry door with the screen door, and it does have a window in this that is actually thin shade ready also. There's an aftermarket shade you can buy to go in there. Rear stabilizer jacks, again electric. There's also a gas hookup back here if you wanted to do a portable grill or use the grill that comes with this model when you've got that outdoor kitchen here. And basically you got a little pull-out tray here. You have some counter space, light, a little bit of shelf space up there. A residential style mini fridge, so it works on electric only. Again, slam lock baggage doors held up by magnetic holders. Back here you can see the little mount on the bumper right here. This is a little swing arm mount for the grill. If you wanted to do that, you can swing that out. In the back corner, here's your hot and cold low point water drains. Traditional 4-inch square tube bumper. You have your spare tire on the back. Outside utility shower right here. Black tank flush and city water inlets are also right here. Nice arch to the roof. You are pre-prepped for the Furrion observation camera. If you want to do that, talk with your sales guy, and those are great to have. Nice to be able to see behind you when you're driving down the road. Detachable power cord right here. It's probably about 25 or 30 feet long roughly. You have your cable inlet as well. Now this model has 2 dumps. So right here is the bathroom dump back here. So your toilet and one of your gray tanks located right back here will dump area. Now, when you go to leave, you also want to make sure, or if you have full hookup, you also want to make sure you have to dump your front tank, which is your kitchen gray tank, or galley tank, some refer to it as. So there's a separate one up here. So you have bathroom gray and black in the back, and in your galley up front here. Now on this side, you do have the other side of the pass-through storage compartment, but it is a little smaller door than what was on the main side over there. Next to this door is some stickers we're going to pop up here for you. Very important data stickers. So the first one popping up is going to be your main data sticker, which tells you production date, VIN number, axle sizes, some tire stuff on there. But most importantly, it tells you the gross vehicle weight of the RV. Most you can load it up to before you risk overloading the axles and the hitch weight. Next is the unloaded vehicle weight, and that basically tells you what the RV weighed when it rolled off the factory assembly line. Next is also the cargo carrying capacity sticker, which basically just tells you how much gear you can put in there. And last but not least, tire sticker, which is basically telling you, what your tire size is, but most importantly, telling you that proper tire pressure. Now up front here, you have a power tongue jack with a built-in light, manual override in case of an electronic failure, two 20-pound propane tanks under the hard cover there, 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy-duty safety chains, 7-way Bargman plug. The unit has a pre-prep for solar, and that's the little box here on the frame where you can plug in a portable solar panel. It comes with 0 batteries from the manufacturer. However, this customer chose to do 2. It comes with 1 from Couch's RV Nation. You can opt in for the second one like this customer did if you want a second battery. You have a heavy-duty 3/4 fiberglass front shell here. Very nice looking cap here. They changed up the graphics a little bit on the front, also a little bit on the sides as well. But you also have 4 LED light strips built into the front now. And the lower portion is kind of a black diamond plate. All right, we're gonna head back inside. I want to show you what it looks like closed up. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, guys, we're now back up inside the new 2022 Heartland North Trail here. And I just want to show you what it looks like with the slide closed. And basically when you are ready to close it up, or when you first get there and you're ready to take it out, you have to come over here to your slide button on the side of this cabinet here. And basically that button just says in or out. So right now we're going to bring it in. This again is a 12-volt slide out. So as long as you got a good battery, you're able to run it in and out. There's a manual override in case of an electronic failure also. But basically it comes straight in, straight out. Now when it does get in, it just kind of grinds down and stops. Okay. So now we are all the way in. And you can kind of see us step back here. You can still come into the coach. You can walk back into your bathroom area, no problem. You got to kind of step over the L-shaped sofa portion a little bit to go on over to the kitchen area. And then you can also go back into your bedroom area. So you could still use the coach with the slide closed. It's just a little bit inconvenient on the fact that the L shape sticks out a little bit right here and you have to step over that portion. But other than that, you can still kind of walk right on through the coach. Then when you're ready to take it right on back out, just hit the button to go on back out. Now again, if you are in the process of setting up and you first get there, if you want to let off the button halfway out and go check and make sure you're not going to hit your electric outlet or your water pole or whatever might be over there, you can let off the button just like I'm doing now, and it'll safely go the rest of the way out when you're ready. So just remember to check that when you do that. But overall, pretty quick, simple, easy to do when you're ready to set this thing up. Power jacks, power awnings, power slides, real quick and easy setup here. All right, guys, thanks again for taking the time to watch my videos. Be sure to check out the people at Couch's RV Nation, guys. They'll definitely be glad to help you out. One of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. Thanks again, guys.